No, not really, no. Nobody born 2,000 years ago has any relevance today. How's my time? How's my time? How's my...
Fine, I'm not making a pair of rules.
Where are they tonight anyway? Oh, here goes nothing.
5, 3, 2, 1.
Hello world, this is Incoming Rod Start. What? I'm here at the holiday party, and as you can see, nobody was able to. Hey, wait, what's going on? Why did they all show up? Cut! I said cut! What's going on? Why did you all show up? I didn't know you two were coming to this party.
You never asked us. We wouldn't miss this. We come here every Christmas. And thank you for joining us tonight, Star. I knew you. Christmas. You came to celebrate Jesus' birthday with us. This is cool. It's sensational.
I don't get it. Why is this day, this party, so special to all?
It's all about the news of Jesus' birth.
Good news?
Well, the good news is quite simple. That God gave us the greatest gift of all, His Son, Jesus.
He wanted to have a relationship with us so much that He sent His Son down to be born on earth in a manger.
But each of us have to